Hey everybody, it's Barry Botwin here at Waterstone Mortgage. I am so excited. For the longest time, in the mortgage world, everything can be very, let's say, plain, standardized. We're numbers, we're underwriting guidelines, not very creative. But I am so excited to be rolling out very soon a page on our website called the Path to Homeownership. And basically what it's going to be is it's going to help our clients see what it takes to go from the very first stage, which is a phone call with myself and my team, to getting keys in their hand at a closing table, utilizing some amazing technology, some animation. I don't think it's really been done ever, and I really am so excited to be rolling that out. Because of that, I want to give some gratitude and a shout out to two individuals that really took this idea, this concept that I had, and are literally making it reality for myself and my team. And that's Richard Jacobs at Leadstream. Richard's amazing, building websites, doing some of this automation and website type design. And of course, Josh Pies at C47 Films. Both Richard and Josh have been amazing to make this idea of mine a reality. And I am so excited to roll it out. Can't wait for you to see it. Take care.